Hello students, today we will go through practical based chapter, that is chapter number 5, editing text in MS Word. So before going through the chapter, you need to understand what Microsoft Word is. So Microsoft Word is an application software used for word processing. When I say word processing, it means it helps us to write letters, reports, newsletters. It helps us to modify text both while typing and after typing. It also helps us to insert, say, clip art, word art, graphics, charts, and many more. And you can copy and paste or cut and paste the text from one location to another location. So let me close it for a moment. Now, how to start Microsoft Word? You need to click on Start button, and from the Start of menu, click on Microsoft Office Word 2007 or whichever version you are using. Or you can also go at All Program, and from Microsoft Office drop down list, you can click on Microsoft Office Word 2007. So this is my Microsoft Office window. Now you can see the cursor, we call it as cursor. You can see one blinking line. So wherever you see this blinking line, your text starts from here. Suppose, say, let me write down Techno India Group Public School. So you can double click in any of the area in Word document, the cursor appear. So wherever the cursor appear, your typing starts from there. Say Siliguri. So it depends on the blinking line, or what we call the cursor, from where your text should start. So I will show you how to create a new document. If you want a new document, you need to go to Office button. We call this as a Office button, and from the drop down list you can click on New option here, and if you go at the bottom right corner, you will see one Create button. You can click on Create button, or you can also click on the Quick Access toolbar. This is a Quick Access toolbar. From the list you can click on New option here. A new document will appear. So let me open a new document, create. So this is my new document. Now let me start with selecting and editing text. Now you see, after typing the text in the document, you may want to make some changes in the text. So making changes in the text is called editing. But before editing, or before performing any action to the text, you need to select the text or highlight the text. Now I will show you few of the way how you can highlight the text. First, let me enter the text here. Suppose, say, I wanted to enter the text here. So say this is the text. Let me make it big. Now I will show you how the text can be highlighted using a mouse. Suppose you want to select the word, sentence, or paragraph. The most simplest way to select is either we click the mouse button, and we press the mouse button and we drag it till the position wherever we want to select the text, and we release the mouse button. Suppose, say, you want to select only one word, so you just press the mouse button, select it. If you want to select the sentence, press the mouse button and select the sentence. Now beside this one, I will show you different ways how the text can be selected. Now say I want to select a particular word, say this gallery. So what you can do is you can directly double click on this word. Say click the mouse 2 times. See, the word has been selected. Suppose you want to select the sentence. What you can do is you can press the control key and just click on any of the text in the paragraph where you want to select the sentence. Say I have pressed the control key from the keyboard and just click in any of the text. See, this particular sentence has been selected. Suppose say I want to select this sentence, press the control key and just click the mouse button. This particular sentence has been selected. Or you can also do one thing, just outside the line, when you just see the mouse pointer, when the pointer turns into arrow, you just double click it. In this way you can also select it. Now I want to show you how to select a paragraph. Suppose say I have two paragraphs, paragraph number 1, paragraph number 2. I want to select this paragraph. So you can click 3 times anywhere in the paragraph. Any of the word in the paragraph you can click 3 times. See, I have pressed the mouse button 3 times continuously. The paragraphs get selected. Now, how to select the entire document? If you want to select the entire document, you need to go to the selection area. This is the selection area, means wherever you will see the mouse pointer with the arrow, we call it as a selection area. So if you want to select the whole document, means from top to bottom, you just go into the selection area and you triple click the selection area. You click the mouse continuously 3 times. See, the whole text in the document has been selected. Now I want to show you one thing, that is how to move the text or copy the text. Say moving and copying the text are two different things. What is moving the text? This feature is used to shift or move the text from its original location to a new location. I will show you 2 ways. Suppose say I want to paste this sentence somewhere else. I want to cut it and put it somewhere else. So you can select the sentence in this way. Now in the home tab, this is called clipboard group. In the clipboard group, you can click on the cut. Once you click on this cut option, this particular sentence from the document will get cut. So click on cut, the sentence has been cut. Now wherever you want to paste it, just go and double click the mouse button. Again in the home tab, you can click on paste option. This is the paste option, click. So your text has been moved in this particular position from this position. So we call it as a moving a text, because what happened here is the text has been shifted from this particular position to this particular place. So we call it as a moving a text or cutting a text. Now if you want to copy the text, suppose say I want to copy this particular text. So you need to select the text and in the home tab, go and click on copy. Now see, the text is in its original position. The text has not been cut. So what is copying the text? Copying or creating a duplicate copy of this text. So placing the text in another location without removing it from its original location. Means my text is in the original position. Now wherever you want to copy it, just click the mouse button, double click the mouse button and go to the paste option. See, it has been pasted. Now if just click on the paste, now no need to copy again and again. You just click on paste. Your text or your sentence will be copied several times. So in this way we can copy the text without losing our time, as many times as you want. Now I will show you another way how to cut and copy the text. Now see, suppose I want to shift this sentence from this particular position to another position, means I want to cut and paste. So select it. After selecting, the first way I have showed is using a cut option in the home tab. Now in this position I will show you using a context menu. So copy the text, right click the mouse button. From the drop down list you just click on cut option here. See, the text or the sentence has been removed from this position. So wherever you want, just double click it and right click the mouse button. Again from the pop-up menu you can click on paste option. Your text has been shifted from this particular position to this position. So we call it as a cutting a text. Now how to copy the text? Say, let me select this sentence. Now right click the mouse button. From the drop down menu you just click on copy. I have clicked on copy. See, the text or the sentence is in its original position. It has not been moved or it has not been cut. Now click on the position wherever you want. Again right click the mouse button and click on paste option. So you will see the copy of this text, or what we call as a duplicate copy here. So again, if you want to make more duplicate copy, so right click the mouse button and paste it. Just right click the mouse button and paste it. Now finally I will show you how to save the document. Suppose say this is my document. How will you save it? Go to the office button and click on save or save as option. Again click on office button, click on save or save as option. Now it will ask you where you want to save. Say I want to save it in the desktop. So click on the desktop. The desktop appears here. Now you need to give the file name for this document. So let me write down, say chapter 5 editing text. So the name of my document will be chapter 5 editing text. Click on save. See, your document has been saved with the name chapter 5 editing text. Now let me close it. So click on the close button and close it. Now how will you see or how will you open the already existing document? Means the document that you have already created. As I have saved it in the desktop, so you will see here my file. Sorry, not this file, this file, chapter 5 editing. So you just double click it and open it. So this is the document that you have worked on. So in this chapter I have showed you how to open a new document, how to select the text, and how to copy and paste the text or sentences, and finally how to save and open the document. So I hope you have understood it. I want all of you to open Microsoft Word at home and practice it again and again. Thank you, children.